Google Veo 3 Image to Video Tutorial for Beginners. Google Veo 3 is the latest AI video generation tool. It can transform a still image into smooth, cinematic video clips using advanced AI motion and scene expansion technology. Sign into Google Veo 3, go to the official site or workspace and log in with your Google account. Select Image to Video mode. This is the option designed for turning stills into motion. Upload your image. Choose a high-quality image for best results. Add motion prompts. Describe how you want the camera to move, slow zoom, pan left, cinematic sweep, etc. Preview before rendering. Check the motion preview to make sure it matches your vision. Export and download. Once happy, export in MP4, 4K, or social-ready formats. And that's it. In just minutes, Google Veo 3 can bring your images to life with professional motion effects. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching.